Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be talking about characters today. How to get any character to the screen. I said several videos ago that I was going to talk about that later, and this is that video. So first, let's start by going to this website. I have it in the description. www.ascii.table.com. All one word. Again, I got it in the description. Just click on it. And we're going to talk about what this table is. So we have this little table. And it stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. All this is a standard. Okay? And it's a standard list of characters associated with a numerical number. Okay? Let's talk about how to use this. Let's suppose I want to print a capital A to the console. Okay? I'm going to go back to our code. I could, just like we learned in the past, just type in capital A. Or I can type in number 65. Well, where did I get that 65 from? I'm about to show you. If I go back to the website, capital A is associated with the decimal value 65. Okay, let me go ahead and run this, see what happens. Oh, where'd it? And poof, the character is capital A, because capital A is associated with the number 65. And this is how we can print special characters to the console. All right, let's take a look at number 34. That's a double quote. Okay. Let me check. Let's see if I can type in a double quote at all. I think I can. It looks like it works. But let's just do number 34. Let's go ahead and run it. The character is a double quote. If I tried putting in a double quote right here, the whole thing would mess up. And it wouldn't understand it. Because that's part of the syntax of writing Java. So we can't just use a double quote. Okay? So that is really the main reason why you want to store that as a character. So this is how you can print off some special characters. Let's say you wanted to print off a backslash. Okay? We already found a workaround on that in the video we already learned this. Where's the backslash at? Is it here? Number 92. 92. Alright, so we can print off some crazy characters. Even the new line in the tab character. Alright, we print off a backslash. And this is how we can really assign characters to even a string. We're going to talk about that in a different video. Let me do a different example. Let's say we scroll down a little bit more. There's an extended ASCII table. Alright, 128. And we got these... Like, here's a symbol right here, the greater than or equal to sign, less than or equal to sign. That might be useful. The pi symbol might be useful for some of you. There's the plus or minus symbol. That's always nice to have. Infinity. And then you got your special characters for... I don't know. Whatever. You got some Greek letters. You got some craziness over here. I haven't used all these. So let's print off the infinity symbol. 236. Alright, so I'm going to type in 236 over here. 236. Let's go ahead and run this. The character is a I symbol. Okay, let's take a look at what it is. The I symbol is this one right here. It looks like I'm looking at. Alright, whatever. So maybe this one didn't work. I'm going to have to come back on a different video and figure out why. So I'm not going to explain it in this video. I just want to show you that you can... let me try a different one. 192. So 92 just... Yep, it's an A with a symbol on it. Let's see, 192. Where's the A with the symbol on it? 142. Alright, whatever. Hey, I'll just run this through a loop. I'll post what these actually are on my website. Just click on the website. Look at the... there's another link. And you'll see it. But anyway, this is how we can print special characters to the screen. I'm going to have to make a side video on why that didn't work. But in the meantime, let's just carry on. We just learned about the ASCII table. And thank you for watching.